If you want to cancel your X.com or Twitter Blue subscription, this video will walk you through the process step by step so you can do it quickly and without confusion. Whether you're switching plans, cutting subscription costs, or just no longer need premium features, canceling your plan only takes a minute once you know where to look. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tutorials just like this. Let's get started. First, open X.com or the X app and make sure you're logged into the account that has the active subscription. Once you're on your main feed, look for the More option in the left-hand menu. Click More to open the additional menu settings. From there, select Settings and Privacy from the drop-down menu. This is where X keeps your account and subscription controls, so if you do not see the premium option right away, make sure you are in the correct account and menu. After that, click on the Premium tab on the left side menu. Inside the Premium section, you should see details about your current subscription plan. Click on your current subscription to open the plan details and billing options. On this page, find and select Manage your current subscription. This is the area where X lets you adjust or cancel your active membership. Once the subscription management screen opens, look for the Cancel Plan option. Click Cancel Plan. Then follow any confirmation prompts that appear on screen. This may ask you to confirm your choice or explain what happens after cancellation, so read those prompts carefully before finalizing. After you confirm, your X.com or Twitter Blue subscription should be set to cancel according to the terms of your billing cycle. In many cases, you'll still have access to premium features until the end of the current paid period, so don't worry if the benefits remain active for a short time. If you don't see the option right away, double check that you're signed in on the correct device and that your subscription was purchased directly through and not through the App Store or Google Play, because those subscriptions may need to be cancelled through your phone's App Store instead. That's the full process for cancelling X.com or Twitter Blue. If this tutorial helped you out, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy guides, troubleshooting tips, and step-by-step walkthroughs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.